So hi guys, today we are going to discuss on these methods used in ES6. So map, reduce, filter, sort, reverse, for each, sum, every, find index. So these are some most commonly used methods in JavaScript, and this all are we are going to study under ES6. Okay, so ES6 is basically a syntax like how we write the code, so you can search more on this. So basically it will help to write the code in like a minimum words. It will take if previously if you are typing the code and it takes 6 lines, so using ES6 your that much code, like 6 lines of code, will reduce to 3 to 4 lines. So okay, we will start. So here is my console, and so this one is our table. So this I uh, wrote in the format of table, and I just gave some CSS to it. So you can see like this, and I'm importing my JavaScript file inside this index.html, index.js. So let me go inside the index.js. I will simply write console.log. Eh, it's working. See if it's really working. Yeah, I'm getting the console log. So yeah, we can start. So first I will uh, cover the map method. So what map is actually it is? So suppose you are having one array, say numbers array, and inside that numbers array you are having 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, so here if I want to get the square of these numbers. Okay, so every number. Okay, so I will just write numbers dot map, numbers dot map, and then I will just write anonymous function. Okay, so here I will write uh, actually no need to write this because we can write, if you are writing in single line then we don't need curly braces. So here I will simply write x into x. So basically, yeah, so numbers dot map, then the first element x is like first number, so it will come and we are getting the square. So we need to store it inside another array, let's say squares. Okay, and now I will just write console.log squares. So you can see the new array has been created using this map. We actually got the squares of every number in this numbers array. So you can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So this is about the map. So let's quickly jump into the reduce method. So reduce, what it does, so reduce is basically to reduce the array. Okay, so let's say I will take this numbers only. So I will just numbers dot reduce. Okay, reduce, and then I will write another function like this, and then uh, we will write in single line, so no need to write the curly braces. So what inside I will do, I will take one accumulator, okay, and comma, I will get current value. Okay, so I'm getting two parameters over here, accumulator and current value. So accumulator is like first number and the current value is second. So actually what I am going to do, accumulator plus current value. Okay, so and I will store this inside another variable. So let uh, reduce equal to this one, and I will just write, okay, let me Okay, let me do like this. No, not this. Okay, control shade. Okay, so to show like if you are writing in current one single line, then we can omit this curly braces. But as our code is not not like limiting inside the screen, so I'm using this curly braces. So let's console.log log. Then this one is reduce, comma reduce. Okay, okay. So when we are using curly braces, so we need to explicitly write return. Okay, so you can see we have reduced this array and we just keep on adding 1 plus 2, then 3, 3 plus 3, 9, sorry, 3 plus 3 is 6, then 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, and 15 plus 6, 21. So you can see reduce 21 value came. Let me write here, okay, this one is map. Okay, so let's jump on to next one. So filter. Okay, so what filter basically does? So I will take this like this one is my numbers is my global one. So I will take this one only. Uh, so let's say numbers, and I'm going to filter. Okay, and I will give some condition. So let's say numbers dot filter. Then same like this. Okay, and I am going to filter as per the um, like I can say I will take reminder. Okay, so let's say it came as x. So if x is like a let me do the percent operator 2 equal to 0. So what I'm doing over here, so if remainder comes as 0 by dividing 2, then only that numbers I need to return. So let me first store this inside some variable. Let filter equals to, and then console.log log filter, comma filter. So you can see we got this in console 246. So this when divided by 2 we will get 0. So we got a new array and we have the values 246. So this is all about the filter. Now move on to for each. So for each also loops through every array. Okay, loops through each element in an array, and it will just like what we can say print. It will not store the value inside the variable as we did for filter, reduce, and map. So let's say if I do numbers dot for each, okay, and this is a x, and just I am writing console dot log and this x. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if I do like this, so if I do return x, okay, so it will throw an error, not return. So in single line we don't write explicitly return. So if I write let for each equal to numbers, and if we write console.log for each, okay, it is coming as undefined. So we can only loop. It will not return anything. So for like if I write like this also, as I said, you cannot write return, then also it will come as undefined. Okay, so this is the main difference. So let me clear this. So numbers dot for each, then console dot log. Okay. So yeah, so this for each basically is used when you want to loop through each element in an array and you want to do some operation, and you have some global variable outside there, you want to store that. So let's say let for each, okay, undefined. So what I will do now, uh, so for each plus equals to x, and I will write console.log for each comma for each. Okay, x not a number. Hmm. Okay, I think something for each. Okay, sorry, I haven't assigned any value to it, so it came as. So let me assign it to 0. So yeah, see 21 came. So yeah, this you should keep in mind, like such issues arises and you need to make a note of it. Like initially I didn't uh, define, I only defined this variable for each, I didn't assign any value, so it came as undefined. And because it is undefined, when we are adding this numbers to that variable, it was coming as not a number. So this issue you need to keep in your mind. So yeah, this for each is now covered. So now let's move on to the next one, sum. SOME. So SOME. So here, I will take the same number array and I will check if there is some like okay, let me write directly. So say numbers dot sum. Okay, it will come x equal to, then if x a percent to equal to 0. Okay, so what it will check, like in this array, in this numbers array. Okay, let me control C it, control V numbers 2. So I will check numbers 2 dot sum. So any element inside this array, if it's divided by 2 and remainder comes as 0, so it will give us the output as true or false. So let me store inside this let some output, and let me console.log some, then some output. So you can see it is true. So what if I write any 3, then 7, then 9? So you can see there is no such element in inside this array that is divided by, if we divide by 2 and remainder comes as 0, so it will come as false. So yeah, this is all about the sum function. Now we will go ahead with every, and in every what I am going to do, in every I will use the numbers to array again, and I will check like for every number. Okay, it is not a sum. It is not like you need to check only particular element. You need to check for every element. So if I say numbers 2 dot every, and x is greater than 5, what I am checking, if every element is greater than 5 or not. So as you clearly see, there are some elements that are less than 5. So basically it will uh, give the output as false. So let every output equal to, and then I will do console.log every output. Okay, just okay, every false. So what if I write this greater than 1? So that is also coming as false. Okay, so I will write here 2. So now it will come as true because every element in this array is greater than 1. So this is all about every. Now check for find. Control, okay, control shade. Okay, find. So find, as the name says, it will find if that particular element, if we can give the condition. So let's say it will just print the first which first element that matches. Okay, just a second. Okay, sorry, apologies. So let quickly finish this off. So find. So let's say numbers 2 dot find. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm checking like a first number. Okay, and here I will check like x is greater than 5. Okay, so let's see. You can see inside this array, numbers to array, greater than 5 is 7 and 9. So I will just write let find equal to console.log. So what it will do? It will check each number in an array, and the first that matches, it will give that output in the console. So find and find. So you can see 7. Though this it has 9, but it only gives us output as 7. So I think this is clear now. So what is find? So let's quickly jump on to the next one, find index. Find index. So it will just like same. It will give you the index of that. So let me copy this. No need to write again. And then find index. Okay, sorry. Okay. So you can see uh, numbers dot find index. Okay, I think I have done something wrong over here. Um, why it's coming as okay? Sorry. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Wow. Okay. So you can see third index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so find index is done. Now we will move on to the sort. So sort, many of you are already aware. So let's quickly sort this. Let me copy this, Control C. So this one, sort numbers 2 dot sort, and sort as per. Okay, let's remove this. Then sort. Okay, so okay, I think I have done something wrong over here. Let's sort numbers 2 dot sort. Uh, Actually, I think so. It is expecting some parameters. So let me quickly give a comma b. Okay, and what I will do, a minus b. Mhm. Numbers 2 dot. Okay, so sorry, very sorry. So 233 5 7 9, and I think this will also work. Okay, 233 5 7 9. So this is all about sort. Okay, let's move on to reverse. And in reverse, we will just reverse the array. So same, Control C, Control V. Here I am gonna use reverse. I will keep it reverse and then reverse, reverse. 975322. So this is now clear to everyone. So just a practice, don't use the capital case, use small case. Okay. So if you have anything after that sort number, so then you need to use capital, like camel case need to follow. So you need to use like this. Okay. So yeah, this is all about this video. Thank you. Do like, subscribe, and comment like if you have any issues regarding this concept or you want to cover any new concepts on my YouTube channel. So yeah, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.